it's me, Donna, better known as Thriftastic Mom here on YouTube. Welcome to my channel. So today is part 3 of my Temu haul. Since spring's coming up, they're doing a spring sale and they're offering up to 90% off on their products. I don't know if it's all their products, some of their products or what, but they do have a spring sale up to 90% off. So I would definitely check that out. So let me show you what I picked up. The things I wanted to try and things I liked from Temu. This is a thing, it kind of look kind of big. This is a pretty big piece here. You open it up, it comes folded up, and then it just pops out open like this. Got a little head space, little strings. But what you do is you put your head up in this, and this lays on your shoulders, and when you cut hair, somebody's hair, all the hair falls into this. Now this does work because I cut my husband's hair yesterday and I pulled it out to try it. And when you get done with it, clean it up, you know, clean it off, whatever, and then it just like folds, twists and folds back up. You put it back in your little baggie. So anyway, I took a picture of him, and I took it off his head and emptied the hair all. And then I'm like, oh, I should have took a picture of you with it on. So I popped it back on his head and took a picture of him after I'd cut his hair and cleaned it off. But I did use it, and it works. I had like one or two little pieces of hair laying on the ground after I had cut his hair, which normally would be, you know, all of it. And then I end up having to sweep it up and all that. I put it back in the bag it came in because I want to keep it like that. This was $1.67. Okay, next thing I got, these were $1.49 each. You get 2 in a pack. Something like that. These, I'm trying to see if, they're called hookup. And what they are is they little hooks that you put on the back of your car seat. So you'll have extra places to, you know, hang your pocketbook or, oh, wait a minute. There's 4 in here. I thought there was only 2. So I bought 2 packs, so I got an extra pack. Maybe I'll use them somewhere else. But anyway, they look like this. They're just little black hooks. And they got 4 in it, so I'll have one for each seat. 2, they hang on your little metal bars on the back of your seat, and you can hang like grocery bags off of them. You can hang your pocketbook, you know, a trash bag, whatever, off of these, and it just gives you a little extra space. Keep your stuff at your floor, or you know, just hang something off of them. So $1.49, you can't beat that. So I'm gonna try these out. This I got because this is just a home decor piece, and I thought it was cute. It's called a wood tea tray. It was actually $4.48, and I thought it was cute. I thought it would be a good decorative piece, like to decorate. And ain't that pretty? So pretty. $4.48, and I'd say it's probably about, what, 12 inches long, 10, 12 inches long. Cute little tray. You could set it on your kitchen sink, put your, like your dish detergent bottles or whatever on it. I thought it was cute, so I got that to use as a decor piece. I got this. This was $3.49, and I've been wanting something to scratch my back with, so I decided to go with this one. They had several different kinds on there, of course, but I thought this would be good just to like scratch my back, you know, or massage my back in the shower. And it's like it's got like 2 handles, and you just put it behind you and, you know, move it back and forth across your back, up and down, up, down. So I thought I'd try that out, see if I like it. See how it works. My husband will probably try it out and see if he likes it. It's got the little nubby side. To me, looks more like, kind of more like a massager type side, and this is more like a cleaning brush side. So I thought we'd try that out and see how that works. These were 79 cents each. And they got all different kind of things like this on Temu. But I chose this one because it's, and I chose green because my curtain and stuff like that's green in my bedroom. That's where I'm going to use these. But I have so many things on my side table, like a cell phone that I use a fan on, my regular cell phone, my tablet, all that stuff. And then I have heating pads I've been using on my hip, all that stuff plugged up. And I've been wanting to put, like, my cell phone that I use my fan off of at night. I use a YouTube video that has a really good fan sound. And I use it because sometimes my husband's in here watching TV and I can hear the TV. And I just can't sleep if the TV's on. So I turn that fan on over my head, or beside my head right now, to actually drown out the TV so I can sleep. I thought maybe, I said, well, if I had the phone maybe instead of beside me, I could put it a little bit more behind my head. Then I could, it would drown out even better, you know, because I'd be getting like the full effect of it from in both the ears instead of a side effect. So I seen these and I thought, well, these might work out. They got a little sticky piece to them, and you put this on the wall, and then you stick this to wherever you want it. I'm going to put this next to my bed. Even if I don't put it like right over my head, I may put it like to the side right here or something, just to get it off that table. So I won't have so much stuff getting tangled up, the wires and stuff. So I thought I'd put this on the wall. Hopefully it's going to hold up good. It was showing it holding a cell phone. So hopefully it'll hold up good on the wall. Stick it to the wall and put that cell phone that I use the fan on in at night. And then I have these for extra cords to hang off if I want. I can hang something off of these two little side pieces here. You peel this and it's got like a sticky backing, but if it don't hold up for some reason, I'll get some command strips and put on the back. But I want to stick this on my wall and put my cell phone in it. And I got an extra one just in case my husband wants to put his on the wall over there near him, just to get it off his side table or something. This is a little bird Christmas ornament. Y'all know, if you watch me, you know I love Christmas. And of course I had to look at the Christmas stuff, and I decided to get an ornament. This was $3.39, but it is super cute. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. Made out of metal. That's the back of it. So pretty. That'll look beautiful on my tree. So I picked that up. It was $3.49, but you'd probably pay more than that for it in a Hobby Lobby or something. I picked this up. I wanted to try this. This is a coat. They call it a coat hanger. Space Saver is what it is. It was only 79¢. And I thought I would hang this up in my closet, and you could hang shirts on it. And it's supposed to hold up to like 10, 11 shirts. So I think it actually goes this way. But then it's supposed to be a space saver for you. So I was going to try that in my closet. I got these. I got two of them because I have a hook screwed into the brace in my closet, so you know it won't fall or anything. And I got all my pants hanging on that one big hook on hangers. Well, this thing got full. So I thought maybe I would trade them out and just put most of my pants on these trouser racks here, because it holds like 5. So that would be 10 pair of pants, and that would and just hang them on that hook, and that would give me more space, and the hook wouldn't be so full because I would have these trouser racks on it. So I actually got 2 of these. They were $4.49 a piece. Here's one, haven't opened. Here's the other. That way I can hang all my pants on it and give myself a little more space, because we need space, right? I got these because I need these. These are anti-slip rug grips. They were $1.69 the front, and then this is what it looks like for the back. And I'm going to put these, I got a rug in there in my bathroom. It keeps slipping around. And I'm going, oh, okay. And I'm actually going to put some of these on it so it quits slipping, hopefully. That's what they look like. Got a bunch of them in there. So I won't need all of them, but I'll have some spares. So anyway, I got a little pack of those because that's something that I needed. This is a jewelry organizer storage box. So I picked it up. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. I thought maybe I could use it to put some craft beads in or something. I just got it. I figured I might could use it for something. It's got little things, little compartments, but it's a good quality thing. Oh, wow, I didn't even know they came out. Look, I opened it and they all fell out. Cool. This would be a good little pill box or something. The little things come out. Look, little individual things that come open. That is cool. I didn't even know they came out. That is neat. So you get the box and then you get all the little compartments. Okay, that's cool. $2.99. That's neat. I like that. These are little clips, like you have wires under your desk or whatever, and you want to like clip them to the wall so they'll look a lot neater and organized. They're called wire clamps. They were $1.19. I just got a bag of those. Hopefully you can see that. Bag of wire clips to clip. I think I'm going to use them in there and put some of my desk wires like up against the wall, you know. And get them, because they're just hanging down looking a mess. I picked up this. This is a wooded bead set for home decor. This is $2.49. And it has a little tassel. I got it like in just a neutral color. It's actually got tassels on both ends. Little bead set. Thought I might could use these for decor. Little bead set for $2.49. Then I picked up these because you can always use these. These are cotton swabs. $3.49. You get 500 cotton swabs. We can always use those. So I got some of those. Then I got these things. These have a name. These are 79 cents each, and I got 4 of them in gray. But you know how you can buy these things that you can put on the wall and then you can hang like your broom and mop and stuff on it? Well, I have one in there. And it just don't clamp good on the mops and stuff. And they end up sliding down, wanting to fall off stuff. So I've seen these things on there. This is what it looks like. And I got 4 of them. And they got these little plastic pieces. This is what you put on your wall. And you hook them on. So I thought about taking the other thing down and just putting these up. Side by side. And then you put your little, you know, your mop and stuff. These hold it. Your mop. And because I only got like a mop, a broom, and then I keep my little grabber hanging in one of them. So I got 4 just in case something happens with one or something, or I get another mop or something. So I got 4 of those. So I'm thinking about taking that down and try these. See how they work. See if they grip a little bit better than the thing that I'm using currently. And those were 79 cents a piece. And the last thing, guys, I got. I've been wanting one of these for a while. These are some cleaning brushes, and you put them on your drill, like your cordless drill, and use them. And here's one. See how it's got the little piece? You stick that into your drill. And I've seen them on other sites, and you can have them where they got long, you get extended arms with them and stuff, but the main reason I want to use, I'm not sure what I'd even use this one for, but the main one I wanted was this big one here. Because you can hook this to your drill, and like if you have a dirty spot on your carpet that's hard to come up or something, turn your drill on real fast and clean it with this brush. You can clean your tubs with it, whatever, and use it on your drill and get that super fast spin, you know. Here's a little one you can use on something. So I got all 3 of them. They were $8.49 for all 3 of the brushes. But like I say, the main one I wanted was this. So I got those so I can clean dirty spots up. And use my drill, because I have a drill that I can use those with. So guys, that's everything. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of my little household automotive things that I got from Temu. And again, I'd like to thank Temu for letting me pick out all these items to share with you guys. I appreciate it so much for them working with me. I got a lot of great items that I've really enjoyed. The discount code is down below for the 30% off for your new customers, and all the other information about the free shipping and everything, I will put all of that stuff down below for you guys, so you will have it and you can go check it out. If there's anything in this video that you liked, I'll have the links down below for that also, so you can go to it and buy you one. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing all of my Temu hauls. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the products. Make sure you check that site out. It is super affordable and great for gifts and personal items and everything. So make sure you check it out. If you haven't already checked out Temu, you gotta get on that Temu train. Choo choo. But anyway, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Y'all leave me some comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And I guess I'll see you in my next video. God bless. Bye. Happy shopping.